Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update an Elastic Beanstalk environment configuration step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log into your AWS account using your credentials. In the console, locate and select the Elastic Beanstalk service from the list. Once in the Elastic Beanstalk dashboard, find the application whose environment configuration you wish to update. Click on the application name to view its details. Next, identify the specific environment you want to modify. Select the environment by clicking on its name. In the Environment dashboard, locate and click on the Configuration option. You will see various categories of configuration settings displayed. Choose the category that you want to update, such as Software, Capacity, or Load Balancer. After selecting the category, click the Edit button to modify the settings. Make the necessary changes to your configurations as needed. Once you have made your updates, review them carefully. Click the Apply button to save the changes. A confirmation window will pop up, detailing the changes that will be made. Review the changes once more and click Deploy to proceed. The Elastic Beanstalk service will begin applying your configuration updates. You can monitor the status of the deployment in the Events section. Once the deployment is complete, review the environment to ensure the settings are as intended. That concludes the process of updating an Elastic Beanstalk environment configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.